Welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can grow beautiful flowers right at home without using harmful chemicals? In today's video, I'll share natural techniques that will help you transform your garden into a colorful paradise. Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more exciting content. First, select a branch that's not too old or too young for propagation. This sweet spot will give you the best chance for successful growth and strong roots. Next, cut your rose stem into sections about 5 to 10 centimeters long. Make sure each piece has at least one healthy node. That's where new roots will grow from. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to avoid damaging the stem. Next, use a clean, sharp knife to gently scrape off a small section of the bark in the middle of the stem. This small cut will help stimulate the plant to form new roots more quickly during the propagation process. Today, I'll be using lemon, a simple yet powerful natural ingredient that plays an important role in the propagation process. Its mild acidity helps prevent bacteria and fungi, while also stimulating faster root development on the cutting. Next, add about 200 milliliters of water to the lemon juice to dilute the solution. This helps balance the acidity, making it gentle enough for the stem while still promoting healthy root growth. Next, carefully slice the lemon peel into thin pieces. The essential oils and natural acids in the peel help protect the cutting from harmful bacteria while also encouraging faster root formation. Place the sliced lemon peel into a clean glass or cup. Next, pour a small amount of milk into the cup containing the lemon peels. The natural enzymes and calcium in milk help nourish the stem and protect it from fungal infections during the rooting process. After that, add about 300 milliliters of water to the mixture. Then, stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Today, I'll be using sand as the growing medium for propagation. Sand provides excellent drainage and aeration, helping the cuttings develop strong and healthy roots while preventing rot caused by excess moisture. Once the mixture has fully dissolved in the water, use a fine strainer to filter the solution. This step helps remove any remaining solids, ensuring that the liquid is clear and gentle for soaking the cuttings. After filtering, carefully pour the purified solution over the sand. This step helps the sand absorb the natural nutrients evenly, creating a clean and balanced environment for the cuttings to root. Now, place the cutting into the cup filled with sand. Then, gently cover the stem with a thin layer of sand. This layer helps retain moisture and keep the cutting stable, while providing enough aeration for healthy root development. After that, place a clear cover or cup over the top. This method works like a mini greenhouse, helping to maintain humidity and create a warm, stable environment for the cutting to develop roots. After about 15 to 20 days, gently remove the cover and check the cutting. At this stage, you'll start to see tiny roots and new shoots emerging. A clear sign that the propagation process is progressing successfully. Today, I'll be using coconut coir as the growing medium for transplanting the young plants. Coconut coir is an excellent organic material that helps retain moisture while providing good aeration, creating the perfect environment for root growth and healthy development. Make sure to water regularly to keep the young plants moist. Maintaining consistent moisture is essential for healthy root growth and helps the seedlings adapt well to their new environment.